How to set a bet on the Sleeper app. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you on how to place bets using the Sleeper app. Sleeper has recently introduced a betting feature, making it easier for you to engage with your favorite sports. Let's jump right into it. First, ensure you have the Sleeper app downloaded. If you haven't signed up, open the app and create an account using your email or using a social media login. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the betting tab. This section is where you'll find all the betting options available, so tap on it to explore the different betting markets and available events. In the betting section, you'll see various sports events listed. Select the sport you want to bet on, such as football, basketball, or baseball. Once you choose a sport, scroll through the upcoming events and tap on the one you want to bet on. Once you've made your selection, enter the amount you wish to bet. Double check the details, including the potential payout, before you confirm your bet. When you're ready, tap Place Bet to finalize your wager. After placing your bet, you can monitor its status in the My Bet section, which shows you your active wagers and their outcomes. Keep an eye on the events as they unfold to see how your bets perform. And that's how to bet on the Sleeper app. It's straightforward and enhances your experience as a sports fan. Thanks for watching.